Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2020 Honda HR-V. It features a continuously variable transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, a tachometer, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.